Hello, this is Eric at the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Supercentre, and we're taking a look at the 2013 GMC Yukon XL. I believe powered by a 5.3-liter V8 engine, providing you with plenty of power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing, and just getting around in general. It does have running boards down below, so you can have an easier time getting in, and a roof rack up top, so you can mount some cargo up there, and it's freshly detailed, but let's take a look inside. First, looking at the back, where you have a massive cargo area that can always be expanded by folding down or just straight up removing the third row seats, because this vehicle does actually have seating for 9 in total, so a ton of seating in this vehicle. Back row even gets their own cup holders and cubbies and whatnot. You have a 12-volt power outlet here, and even with all the seats in and up, you still have a ton of cargo room. And then looking into the second row, where you also have comfortable seating for 3 with fold-out armrests and 2 cup holders right there. And you have 2 more down here. And then you have your rear climate controls up there in the middle. Now, this vehicle does have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your vehicle. And looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as a partially power adjustable driver's seat and an aftermarket trailer brake controller. Now, sitting in the vehicle with it running, you can see it's sitting at 135,654 kilometers. And moving down to the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your hands-free phone and radio controls, and on the left you have your cruise controls. Completely to the left of the steering wheel you have your lighting controls and your 4x4 controls with 4 auto. And moving on to the right, up here you have your controls to cycle through which information is displayed here, such as your odometer, and then you have your trip mileage, your fuel range, fuel economy, fuel used, a digital speedometer, and trip timer. You have your transmission temperature and fuel economy. Can also go into your actual vehicle information and settings there. But then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, or infotainment center I should say, which is radio, Sirius, CD, auxiliary, and USB compatible, so you have quite a few options there for whatever you want to listen to. But then moving down from that, you have your climate controls here, because you do have dual zone front climate, and then you do have rear climate as well, so tri-zone climate effectively. You have a 12-volt power outlet and a USB here, with your traction control shut off as well. And then moving on to your center console slash armrest here, where you have 3 cup holders and your center compartment, which is very spacious inside, so you can store plenty in there. But then this does lift up and out of the way to become your 8th passenger seat and 9th seat overall, so plenty of seating in this vehicle. And then underneath that you actually have another lockable compartment for even more storage. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.